Now, this will blow your mind. Now, Donald Trump had a condom brand written, "I'm huge." God. So the USA House lawmakers released 19 photos from a stash of over 95,000 images found in Epstein estates. Now, these photos are handed over to the Congress. Now, photos include high-profile figures, such as this photo of Donald Trump smiling with 6 women whose faces are obviously redacted, and also an updated photo of Donald Trump sitting next to Epstein, and the context is unclear. Now, also, there's another picture of Donald Trump sitting next to a blonde woman whose face is also redacted. And also, there's a notable picture of Bill Clinton in a group with Jeffrey Epstein. And also, this photo of Bill Gates appearing with former Prince Andrew. And another picture of Bill Gates with a pilot next to a plane or a private jet. Now, these are part of the 19 photos that were released. And Donald Trump says that these photos are no big deal. He's saying that he's been photographed with many people, and Democrats say releasing them is about transparency. Republicans say the selection is politically motivated. Now, the Epstein files are government and court documents, photos, flight logs, and evidence collected during an investigation into Jeffrey Epstein, a convicted sex offender and sex trafficker. However, there is also a law, the Epstein Files Transparency Act, forcing the US government to release all unclassified documents from Epstein cases by December the 19th, 2025, with victims' privacy protections. Now, it is also important to note that these photos do not prove crimes. They show social interactions only. Now, more photos and more documents are expected, and they could reveal connections or give clarity as to what happened. And I'll keep you updated. Please do follow and be a subscriber for this channel. My name is Oalokwan, and these are the news that matter the most.